Are you a parent looking for a family home close to great schools in Joburg South and Alberton? Then this episode is for you. Today on the G list, we are looking at 3 family homes located within 5 kilometres of some of Joburg South and Alberton's most sought after schools. When you're buying a family home, choosing the right area isn't only about the house, it's about your everyday life. Living close to good schools doesn't just mean shorter school runs, it's a smaller fuel bill every month. It's not just less time sitting in morning and afternoon traffic.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
It's about the time you get back and what you can do with it. Not to mention easier access to sports, extramurals, and everything else that comes with family life. Then there are feeder areas to consider. Living close to a school doesn't automatically guarantee admission, but location can play an important role when deciding where your family should buy.
What are you waiting for, huh? What are you waiting for?
So what qualified a property for today's G list? It had to be within 5 kilometres of good schooling options. It had to be a genuine family home, no less than 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a double garage. And for this episode, there was no price bracket. It's all about the home, the location, and the schools around it.
Genius. Let's do this.
So here is today's G list. Pick number 1 takes us to Padstow Street in New Redruth. Listed by Mandy Lee from Jenny Johnson Realty, this freestanding home offers you 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a triple garage, and there's also a room currently being used as a gym room that could easily be converted into a home office or study. Plus there's an entertainment area and a swimming pool. So basically it offers you everything that you'd want in a freestanding family home. But here is why it made today's list. You're approximately 750 meters away from Marefullion High School, 1.4 kilometers away from General Albert's Primary School, 1.5 kilometers away from Alberton High School, and 1.1 kilometers away from Albertview Primary School. There's also a Cambridge curriculum homeschool across the road, plus several nursery school options in the surrounding area. For me, this one works because you're getting a proper family home within walking distance to not 1, but 5 possible schooling options. And it's on the market for 2,999,000 Rand. Pick number 2 is in Prince Albert Street, Brackenhurst. Listed by Dylan and Jeffrey from Allegiance Properties, this home offers you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a double garage, along with a bar, swimming pool and entertainment area. But there's another big feature here, a 2-bedroom flatlet. That's ideal if you've got extended family living with you, or you could potentially use it to generate additional income to help with those bond repayments. Location-wise, you're approximately 400 meters away from Kenton Primary and Dinamica High School. Creative Academy is around 1.7 kilometers away, while St. Declan's and Grace Trinity are approximately 4.2 kilometers away. For me, the standout feature here is that 2-bedroom flatlets. It gives the family options as their needs change. And this one is listed at 3,075,000 Rand.
What's next?
Then my third pick takes us into Joburg South. Allen Road in Glen Vista, listed by Marvelous from Chaz Everett. This home offers you 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a double garage, plus a swimming pool, jacuzzi and LARPA entertainment area. When it comes to schools, you're approximately 1 kilometer away from Trinity House, Glen Vista, 3.5 kilometers away from Our Lady of Lebanon School, and 1 kilometer away from Little Levi's Nursery School. And those are just a few examples. There are plenty of other schooling options in and around the Glen Vista area. So you've got the family home, the entertainment space, and plenty of schooling options nearby. This one comes in at 2,599,000 Rand.
Wow.
And that is the G list. 3 family homes, all within 5 kilometers of some of Joburg South and Alberton's most sought after schools. And I think this list shows exactly why the South and Alberton continue to be such sought after areas for young families. Look at what we've just seen. 3-bedroom family homes, double garages, swimming pools, entertainment areas, all with good schooling options right at your doorstep. They were all ranging between 2.6 and just over 3 million rand. But if that is slightly out of your price range, there are alternative options for families in every price bracket in this part of Joburg South and Alberton.
It's true.
So parents, out of today's list, which one are you choosing? New Redruth, Brackenhurst or Glen Vista? Drop your pick in the comments or tell me what you want to see on the next episode of the G List. And I'll see you next time on the G List.